As I'm recording this video, I just caught myself looking at a trade I have open, which I'm not supposed to do, but it happens sometimes. Uncertainty, I think, never disappears. It's always there, and you always second guess yourself. Today I'm going downtown Montreal to meet traders. It's gonna be pretty cool. I have to leave in a couple of minutes. Let's get started with that day. I didn't enter any trade this week, I think, and I didn't exit any trade. So I have two trades open on AUDJPY and GBP/USD. It's a long and a short. They all went back to the loss this week, which is quite funny. I try to stay detached from my trades most of the time, but sometimes it just happens that you want to look at them and see how they're doing. But same two trades, and let's go. That was a really cool evening yesterday, guys, and it's really crazy to see how people have different perspectives. When I'm trading my account and for other people, some other traders are trading millions and they won't trade anything below a couple of millions, which is really crazy. But it shows how your perspective of things kind of dictates what you can do and what you end up doing. On a different topic, I came across this story recently. There were a park with elephants where all the elephants were attached with just a small rope, and for some reason they didn't exist, although they could break the rope and go away pretty easily at their size. The thing is, one man at the park asked one of the guardian why the elephant didn't go away, why they didn't break the rope to go. And he replied, at a very young age, they attach the elephant with a small rope, and at that age, since they're small, they cannot escape at all. So they're stuck there, and they start to believe that they cannot escape, that they have to stay in that position, because they cannot break the rope. Over time, of course, they grow, but they keep the same belief, the same thing about what they think is possible. And that is exactly the same with trading. And we've talked about it before. If you see yourself as a losing trader right now, it's very hard to break that cycle and to get into the winning trader kind of area. If you see yourself as a small winning trader, it's really hard to break and go to a very successful trader. But sometimes I feel like you need to have people around you, those people that kind of show you what is possible, because you get to see it. Right? If one of the elephants was to break the rope, start to walk and go around, the other elephants would start to see that this is possible and they would potentially do it, right? Because they have someone to guide them, to show them what is possible. And you need to have those people. That's why I love to hang out with traders, talk with traders on the podcast. That's really, really good, I think. That being said, I'll conclude the video here for today. It's actually tomorrow, but I'll conclude it here. Hope you guys liked it. Comment below with your thought, your question. If you can relate to this, I would love to know, as always. I love to think that this is a big community and we can interact, we can share ideas and whatever. Comment below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.